Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on ZTE Axon 30. So to do this, first you'll need to get the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now click on it. Here we need to find the files that we want to pack. Select each of the file. Click on this plus button. Here you can change any archiving options, so there's a lot of settings. You can experiment with them if you want, and I'm just gonna pick a name. So let's go with the pictures. Click on OK when all settings are ready. And your file should be packed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.